We are gonna fill these two water balloons up with these Orbeez and throw it off the top of the roof and see what happens. So I don't know how much we're gonna put in. If it starts to take too long, then we might not put too much Orbeez in, but we'll see what happens. So we'll be back with the balloon full of Orbeez. So we finished with them. We still have to put water in them, but we put all the Orbeez in, and this was the hardest thing ever to put the Orbeez in this balloon. So we still had to fill them up with water. So let's fill them up with water, and we'll be back. And I'm gonna throw one off, and then she's gonna throw one off, and then I'm gonna throw one off, and we'll see how it turns out. We filled them up with water, and this is what they look like. So we're gonna go throw them off of this. We're gonna throw them off of this onto the sidewalk over there. So we're probably gonna have to get on that. So do you want to film from down there or up here?
Down there.
Alright, well I'm gonna go down there. Do you want me to help you first? Are you sure? Alright. So I'll be back when I'm down there. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Yeah.
You
Ready? Set. Go. Oh my God. All the Orbeez are all over the place. But we definitely have to put that in slow motion. Alright. So do you want to just throw mine? Or do you want me to throw it?
want me to throw it? Do you want to throw it?
I'll just throw it.
There he is. Ready?
Right, are you ready? Ready, set, go. Wait, I'm coming down.
Look, it's broken. All those. They're all in the grass. Over here too. Like, look at all of these.
I'm actually surprised, like some of these survived. Like, but there's just Orbeez all over the place. But I'm so surprised some of these survived. Like, these four right here, they all survived.
A lot of them survived. Except for the ones
Like, all these in this area survived. Like, I don't even know how much survived. It's like 50% or more survived. Like, I don't see any broken ones.
There's some over there.
Like, all the ones that didn't survive just are all over. Oh, here's some that it didn't survive. Them are broken. But like, even some over here are like, they still survived. I don't know how. But yeah,
Smush them. They're so much fun.
that was cool. I'd definitely do that again. Maybe like off of a higher surface or something. Throw it off of something higher or something like that.
Up there?
So the Orbeez in the water balloon, that was a success. That was really, really cool. I'd do that again. We're probably gonna do it off something higher, but we gotta figure out where we're gonna do it. So, but watch our other videos. Our next video is probably gonna be on bigger Orbeez. Our old our old video that we did yesterday, we put Orbeez in a blender. So you guys should totally check that out because it's pretty cool.
Like and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next video.